take the top off and put that down there, and then we're going to check this super here to see whether there's honey in it or not, and whether we need to add the second super on top of that. So I'm going to take the top off now. A little bit of smoke. And carefully lever this off with my hive tool. We'll see how busy it is on the top. It's very busy. That's a very good sign. Wow. They have been very busy. So, a bit of smoke. If I take out one of the frames, we'll see if we've got honeycomb. I can already see from here we've got honeycomb, so just carefully leave this one out here on the end. So this one here, there is actually honeycomb being made on top. All around here. Turn it around. This side's even busier. And there you can see the honey inside. There's the honey inside the honeycomb. So they really need the second super on top of this. So I'm going to put this one back carefully without squashing anyone. Okay. Carefully on top. And there we go, that's all we need to do. And put the top back on. And stone on top of that. So these holes, they're small enough for the bees to go through. You can see the bees with the pollen on their legs. So they're small enough for the bees to go through, but if there are any wasps that come along, they won't be able to get through those holes, ideally.